Hello and welcome. Today we're diving into the refreshing world of spring decor to help you brighten up your living room with shades of green. If you're new here, don't forget to subscribe and hit that bell icon so you won't miss any of our home decor inspirations. Now, let's bring some vitality into our spaces. Why green? Spring is all about renewal and revitalization, and what better way to embody this than with the color green? It's not only soothing to the eyes, but also brings the beauty of nature right into your living room. Today, I'll show you some simple ways to incorporate green into your living space that will make it feel fresh and alive. An easy way to start is with soft furnishings. Swap out your winter throws and pillows for options in lime, emerald, or sage. These colors work beautifully against neutral backgrounds and add a pop of freshness. Don't forget about the curtains. Light, airy green drapes can completely transform the mood of your room. Next, let's talk plants. Adding potted plants or fresh flowers not only adds color, but also improves air quality. From large ferns in the corners to small succulents on the coffee table, there are endless ways to incorporate plants into your decor. And if you're not great with live plants, high-quality faux plants can have a similar effect without the maintenance. Consider green wall art. A large canvas painting that features natural landscapes or abstract art in various shades of green can become a stunning focal point. Additionally, green vases, bowls, and decorative items can tie the whole room together. Even just a few well-placed items can make a huge difference. Lighting is key in any room. Opt for lamps with green shades or bases to complement your new decor. And don't overlook small accessories like books with green covers, green candles, or even coasters. These details might seem minor, but they contribute significantly to the overall vibe of your room. All right, that wraps up our green living room transformation. I hope you're feeling inspired to refresh your space for spring and that our style fits your home. Remember, you don't need a complete overhaul. A few touches here and there can completely change the feel of your living room. Thanks for watching. Until next time, stay creative.